this is operating student here, and today I'm going to talk about text, text fields, and text areas inside JavaFX with Scene Builder and IntelliJ. So first of all, I already got a running application. Let's just make sure. There we go, and we get this small window. I would prefer, if you already from the start removed this sizing requirements, making the window 300 by 275 pixels, because we create a bit bigger. So first of all, we have our controller, our main, and assemble. And I would go inside Scene Builder, where I already connected our assemble fxml document to Scene Builder. If you don't know how to do it, there'll be a link down in the description. But what we're going to be talking about today is our text. So we got the text, which is simply just some text that can't be edited by the user when we run the program. We got a text area, which is an area where the user can write text multiple lines. And we have a text field, which is kind of like the text area, but you can only write one line. And for now, these two are very similar, so I'll just be demonstrating the use of the text field and text. And I would prefer to make this size a bit bigger. We can actually see what happens. Let's do 25. A bit bigger. And right now I'll just do name inside this one. And this one I would leave it empty. And we would make it a bit bigger as well. Let's do 25 as well. There we go. So first of all, to just demonstrate, I would just save this. And we would go inside IntelliJ and run the program. So what we get now is just some text, which can't be edited at all, and we have a text field where we can write whatever we want. So most of these are probably used to get some kind of text, get some input from the user. So I would like to demonstrate just simply using this one to get a name and then change the value of this text area to the name that's been given by the push of a button. So first I would like to add a button, which just be called button, which is more than fine. Then we're going to go inside our code part of the text field first, give it an ID. We would call it name in. So it's the input of the name. We got the text we would call name out. It's the output of the name in, name out. And we got the button, and we're going to be on mouse. Got the button on mouse clicked, where we do name change. Yeah, I think that's a fine name. And we would control S to save. Let's make it a bit more pretty, like this. That's preferable. Save again. So now we gave these different objects some IDs or some kind of function on action. So I would like to get view, show sample controller skeleton, and I would just copy this because this is the information to get to access our name out, name in, and our button click. Copy this and take this inside IntelliJ, open our controller and input. And as we can see, we get an error because mouse event have not been imported yet. So I would just click on it, import class, and input javafx.scene.input. So now what we'd like to do, we'd like to get the name input and output it on the name output. So what we'd like to do on the name change called, which is called when the button is clicked, we would like to make name out.set text. And the text we'd like to set it to would be name in.getText. So the name from the input would be set to the name of the output. And it would be done when the button is clicked. So let's try running the program. And now when I enter a name like Daniel, click the button, and it's transferred up here. or I could do James, and so on. I could do whatever I want, it doesn't matter at this point. It simply takes the input of this field and puts it into this text field, into this text. So that's the basics of our text field and text area, and our just basic text inside JavaFX with Scene Builder and IntelliJ. Hope you enjoyed, like and subscribe, and have a very nice day.